1 hour later.
These are the Zinger Severe Duty Brake Pads. Came in this little boxing, pretty cool, with a little thank you note. Looks like from Susan Yick at 613.com. You can email them for any feedback. Decent little packaging, like the little touch of the thank you note. As a small business, I always feel like this goes a long way, even though some people might not care about it, but for me, I think it's a nice little touch. All right, guys, so the Zinger brake pads, those brake pads will replace the race-driven brake pads that I'm currently pulling off. So I will leave a link to that video above somewhere. Go ahead and watch that after you're done watching this. You definitely want to watch that video if you plan on purchasing some brake pads. So just an FYI. The reason why I bought these, to be honest with you, they're the cheapest brake pads I can possibly find on Amazon. I wanted to be able to have a comparison. You know, I knew the factory so far have lasted me about 40 hours, 40 plus or so. I did pull them off a little bit early, so I probably could have got about 50 hours out of those. The race drivens, I got 48 hours out of them, and they were completely shot at 48 hours. And so I want to get a good comparison of how these cheap brake pads will do and see if they give me the same amount of time, or they might give me more, they might give me less. We'll find out. So, hey, if I buy the cheapest brake pads out there, this is the life expectancy that I'm going to see with them, and so they might be worth it. So I figured this will give me a good comparison between, you know, factory, race-driven, the cheapest brake pads I could possibly find on Amazon, and then looking at those numbers and saying, okay, let me go ahead and get some brass pads on the bike and see how those do. Basically just wanted to have a good comparison, get some data, get a good understanding of how long these brake pads actually do last. That's just another day hanging out with your boy PA, doing maintenance. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.